So like many people, I've tried those Stouffer's chicken enchiladas, the frozen ones you get in the grocery store, and they're okay, but I was always looking for something that tasted a little more like what you would get in a restaurant. So here's how to make those. You start off with your onion and garlic. You put that stuff into a bowl. Add your oil to that bowl. You add 3 tablespoons of chili powder. A couple tablespoons of coriander. And a couple teaspoons of cumin. And you want to mix all that up. I'm going to go ahead and pop that into the microwave. Cook it for about 5 minutes, but you want to stir it. Pop it out of the microwave and stir it about every minute or minute and a half. Now you want to use boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Unfortunately, my store didn't have boneless or skinless chicken thighs. So go ahead and take the skin off if you have to, and also trim the fat. Once the onions and garlic and the spices are all cooked in the microwave, go ahead and add it to the slow cooker. And you want to add that can of tomato sauce. Add that chicken to the crock pot with the enchilada sauce. Mix it in real good with the sauce. You can see how nice and red and thick that is. I went ahead and used a smaller crock pot because it's only a pound of chicken. And you want to cook the chicken on low for about 4 to 5 hours. Alright, once the chicken is done, go ahead and put it on the cutting board. Take about 3/4 of a cup of sauce, put it in a bowl with a 1.5 cups of Monterey Jack, some cilantro, and the chopped up jalapeno. I like using a fresh jalapeno. With the chicken, you want to just kind of shred it using a couple forks. And then you'll go ahead and add that to the bowl with the jalapenos and the cilantro. Spread 3/4 of a cup of the sauce on the bottom of a baking dish. Alright, here's where the fun begins. Take some oil and just spread it on each side of the 6-inch tortilla. Then you want to wrap those tortillas up in a dish towel, and you're probably going to have to wash the dish towel afterwards. Don't use anything that's fancy. And put them in the microwave. And I like to heat them for about 2 minutes. You want them hot so they're pliable so they don't crack when you roll them. And now we get to start filling the tortillas. And go ahead and set them in the pan too. Okay, once the tortillas are all put together with the chicken filling, go ahead and take the rest of the sauce and dump it onto them. And next, you want to take the rest of the cheese and just put that over all the top of the enchiladas. Cover the enchiladas with foil. Turn your oven on to 450. And when the oven's heated up, go ahead and pop the enchiladas in the center rack, and you want to heat them for about 15 to 20 minutes. Well, how'd they turn out? Wow. Homemade enchiladas. Delicious.